Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the original Gacha Club installation and save files. This prevents accidental loss. First, make a timestamped backup of the entire game folder and the save file so you can revert. Then, identify the config and user save directories. They're where modified values usually reside. Once done, open only copies for inspection. Make sure to note exact file names and timestamps so you know what you changed and why before proceeding. You'll now inspect the save data to find altered values. Use a plain text editor for readable files or a hex editor if binary. Search for abnormal numeric spikes, inconsistent flags, or unmatched checksums. Compare suspect lines to the backup or a default template to determine the correct value. Once identified, replace the modified entry and maintain formatting and delimiters exactly. After edits, save to a new file and validate structure so the game can read it properly. You finish by validating and testing the repaired save. Load it in a separate profile or sandbox so the main account stays safe. Observe in-game behavior and any error messages. If the game crashes or values revert, inspect checksum or integrity fields. Some games require recalculated hashes. If problems persist, revert to your backup and redo only the precise change, documenting each step. One tip: if the save won't load, restore the backup. Then adjust only one value at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.